Have you ever felt that burning sensation in your chest that seems endless? What if I told you that acid reflux is more than just discomfort? It's a warning sign that something might be wrong with your digestive system. But here's the good news. You can stop acid reflux permanently with simple and natural solutions. Today, I'll share 5 incredible vitamins and supplements that address the root of the problem. Stay with me until the end, because the last item on the list is the key to transforming your digestive health and saying goodbye to acid reflux for good. Let's start with Betaine HCL, one of the most effective supplements for those struggling with acid reflux. Did you know that in most cases, reflux isn't caused by too much stomach acid, but by too little? Without enough acid, your body struggles to digest food, increasing pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter, the valve that keeps acid from rising. Betaine HCL works like a digestive booster, helping to break down proteins and heavier foods. As a result, it eases stomach pressure and reduces reflux. To use it, take 1 capsule before your main meals, especially heavier ones. Remember, balancing stomach acid is essential for digestive health, and Betaine HCL is the key to achieving it. Ginger is one of the oldest and most effective natural remedies for digestive problems, including acid reflux. It acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, soothing the stomach lining and reducing inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. Additionally, ginger speeds up gastric emptying, preventing food from sitting in the stomach for too long, a major cause of reflux. You can consume ginger in various forms, as tea, in capsules, or even freshly grated in your meals. A simple tip is to drink ginger tea 30 minutes before your main meals. This routine can drastically reduce reflux symptoms and improve your overall digestive health. Now let's talk about probiotics, which are essential for gut health and consequently for controlling acid reflux. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and when there's an imbalance between good and bad bacteria, it can directly affect digestion. This imbalance is one of the causes of increased stomach pressure, leading to reflux. High-quality probiotics help restore the balance of gut flora, improving digestion, reducing gas, and lowering abdominal pressure. Opt for probiotics that contain multiple bacterial strains, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Taking a daily supplement or consuming fermented foods like natural yogurt and kefir can make a significant difference in your digestive health and reduce reflux episodes. Did you know that apple cider vinegar can be your ally against acid reflux? Despite being acidic, it has an alkalizing effect on the body, helping to balance stomach pH. This makes it particularly effective for those suffering from reflux caused by low stomach acid. Apple cider vinegar also stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, facilitating food breakdown. To use it, dilute 1 tablespoon in a glass of water and drink it before meals. This simple practice can prevent that burning sensation and improve digestion over time. Just make sure to use organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar to reap all the benefits. Last but not least, we have zinc, an essential mineral for repairing and strengthening body tissues, including the esophagus. Acid reflux can cause irritation and damage to the esophageal lining, but zinc helps regenerate and reduce inflammation. Additionally, it boosts the immune system, helping the body fight off inflammations and infections that can worsen reflux. You can find zinc in foods like pumpkin seeds, spinach, and lean meats, or in supplement form. Adding zinc to your daily routine is a simple but highly effective step to heal reflux damage and prevent future episodes. With these 5 vitamins and supplements, Betaine HCL, ginger, probiotics, apple cider vinegar, and zinc, you can finally say goodbye to acid reflux naturally and permanently. Remember, consistency is key to achieving lasting results. If you enjoyed this content and want more tips like this, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone who also needs to improve their digestive health. Let's build a life free of reflux and full of health together.